So you want to be a speaker, I'm here to help you. Here are 3 questions to ask yourself to become a paid public speaker. First things first, my name is Jess Ekstrom. I'm a Forbes top-rated speaker, founder of Mic Drop Workshop. I've helped thousands of women start or scale their public speaking careers, and maybe you are next. So question number 1, ask yourself, am I taking a familiar concept and making it new? A lot of times I see people thinking that they have to reinvent the wheel, thinking that they have to speak on something that no one else has ever spoken on before, but you can speak on confidence or resilience or risk-taking, and all you have to do is provide a couple unique bullet points or unique takes on how you approach confidence or resilience and make it new. A lot of times the things that people need to hear are the things that we learned in kindergarten. So don't think that you need to reinvent the wheel in order to be a speaker. Step number 2, or question to ask yourself, am I solving a problem? Just like any other product, you have to solve a problem. That's where the value comes into play. But step number 3, am I solving a problem for an audience who is booking speakers? So this is a key one. It's a lot of times I see people who want to speak to audiences that might not be hosting a bunch of conferences or might not be paying speakers. But if you want to speak to college students, there's a ton of opportunity there, or in the workforce, there's a ton of opportunity there. So making sure that whatever you want to speak about is also a paying customer in the speaking industry. And if you want help navigating that, creating your keynote, finding paid opportunities, register for my free training, join thousands of other women, and I will see you there.